What's it like staying at the D Hotel and Casino in downtown Las Vegas? Find out next on Jaycation. What's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the Las Vegas series. Today we're checking out what's it like staying at the D Hotel and Casino here on Fremont Street, and I'm right outside one of the front entrances. We're gonna check out one of their standard rooms, see how their pool is, what their gambling is like, what type of restaurants and gift shops that they have to offer. Let's get to it. We're at the D. Please like this video and let's check out the inside. Look how advanced this is. It already tells you what floor. Trying to go to the lobby. Over in the front pickup where Uber gets you is a replica of the mannequin piss statue. And I've actually seen the real one, and it is a lot smaller than this replica one, I'm telling you. The one over in Brussels, which I've shown on Jaycation back in 2016, yeah, you'll see it. It's maybe even a fourth of this mannequin piss statue. So this is the D, the building right up there. I'm on the 5th floor. If you're looking for the Deuce bus pickup, look at this. There's a pickup right here. I might have to hop on that. And this is part of the hotel where the valet and Uber pickup is. The hotel really isn't that big. This is the D shop where you can pick up your D souvenirs and some snacks and drinks. And it's over here across from check-in. It's actually really clean over in this hotel. You got concierge, and that's the check-in desk right there with the red ropes. And I came in around 1 o'clock to check in, and it was real easy, and I got into my room about 1:10. If you're looking for tickets to Stadium Swim, you do get 2 free complimentary ones with use of your hotel room key card, but you can buy them here too if you need more. Over here by the hotel elevators, really interesting hotel elevators. I'll show you guys a little later, but they have the coffee stand at the D, and their coffee is not that expensive. The brewed coffee is only $2.50, 16 ounces, $3.95, so not bad. This area is their Club One rewards card, so you can pick up your rewards card, which I need to get, and they're good for usage at places like Nacho Daddy, Project Barbecue, La Comida, Pizza Rock. I'm gonna try it out. This is the pay station for the parking garage, and I'm guessing these are the elevators to get there. I just picked up the One rewards card, and it gave me free table play, so I got a couple of chips for it, so I'm gonna use that a little later on. Here is the long bar, and they have a ton of flat screens here. A lot of baseball going on since, you know, October Fever is about to go on. The hunt for October. Former Padre CJ Abrams right there. Padres are a little later tonight. We're gonna watch it over at the Stadium Swim. And of course, they have the Golden Arches. They have a Mickey D's here with the auto ordering. And you saw this over in Barcelona a lot. If you guys were following me a long time ago, if you're down for some Mickey D's, they got it here. Since they're linked with Circa Sports, you can put in your sportsbook bets over here in the corner. One of the corners on the other side of where McDonald's is American Coney Island chili dogs. So if you're in the mood for some chili dogs, just head over this way. You can grab some Coney Island style, East Coast style hot dogs. I've noticed a lot of slot machines around here, and this is the table area, but upstairs they have a few other places, Bacon Nation, so I want to show you guys that area. So you may think that the D is super small in the bottom, but if you go on the 2nd floor, there's more to check out. Andiamo Steakhouse, and it looks like a little wine cellar. It's closed right now, but if you're looking for some steak, they got it here. Right after the escalators, there's also the View Bar. Nice little corner bar, you can watch some sports. And outside, there's a balcony. Let's check it out. Oh, this is pretty cool. There is actually an escalator from Fremont Street you could take out. And if you're out on this balcony, you can check out the really cool LED screen. We'll take smoke breaks out here, but yeah, this is cool. Over on this area is Circa Sports and a Bar Canada, all here on the 2nd floor. For all y'all bacon fans, the Bacon Nation is about to open up over here. And I heard this is gonna be a really popular spot with bacon-filled plates of goodness. So it's under construction right now, but it's coming out soon. So here's Andiamo. Prices actually don't look bad over here. And like I said, it looks like a wine cellar. It's still closed right now. I'll show you how the hotel elevators work. Floor number, and I'll tell you to go to F. So you just gotta go there, and that's exactly how you do it. You don't even press it inside the elevator. Now that's technology. That's pretty cool. Before you even go up to your elevator, it'll just assign you the elevator and you just go in it and it'll take you to the floor. Back in the room, I picked up this Truly Extra from the ABC stores here at Fremont Street last night, and this is their Pineapple Orange Punch, 8%. This is actually really good. I had the berry one last night, but I like this one better. Ah, seltzers. You can thank DVW for getting me on seltzers, man. Shout out to Dan vs. World. What's up, homie? Although we're gonna check out another pool in a little bit, let's see how the D's pool is like. All right guys, we're checking out the swimming pool here. It's open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. I got my Truly Extra with me. Right outside by the Uber pickup. So if you're looking for it, it's right by Uber. So super small and simple rectangular D pool. You got some nice lounge chairs over here. So we're just gonna lounge out here with my Truly and just enjoy it. You get a little view of the building behind me. When the shade is here around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, it's perfect. It's nice to just chill around here. It's not that big of a pool, but you do have that option of going to Stadium Swim because Golden Gate, the D, and Circa, they're all owned by the same people, so they give you access to Circa. So I'm gonna go to Circa, Stadium Swim, watch the Padre-Dodger game. It's a very important game tonight, so I have to go and check it out. They also have a small jacuzzi over here. If you want to warm up a little bit, you can do that as well. And they also have showers here. Even though there's no sand, but you can shower up, get all that chlorine off of you right after you swim. This is one of the highest escalators in all of Las Vegas, and it'll take you all the way up to Stadium Swim. Man, I'm telling you, that big screen is massive. And if you're staying at the D or Golden Gate, they give you 2 free passes. You just use your hotel room key right here, and you get in for free. So Dodgers Padres game 2, gonna have to check it out. I'm rocking that House of the Dragon, House Targaryen junk band headband tonight. Made it into Stadium Swim. All they needed was your room number, and you're in for free. It's really not busy tonight because it's a Wednesday. But Padres Dodgers, one of the final regular season games. The Padres' magic number to make the playoffs is 4. So it's an important game, and I had to go watch it here. Over in these corners are the cabanas. You got the huge LED screen. And yeah, we've hung out in these cabanas before over in Here Be Bars downtown Las Vegas video. Check that out after this one. Great word of advice. Do not swim with diarrhea, wounds, or sores. Now this looks awesome. Not that many people. They're gonna have the Padre game in the big screen. This is a really fun time. Perfect night to get in the water and watch the Padre game, so why not? It's not busy at all, and 89 degrees right now. Can't beat it. And staying at the D, but I'm able to use Stadium Swim. That's a thumbs up, guys. Take advantage of that. Had to pick up a Miami Vice here from Stadium Swim. It's 18 bucks, but whatever, 16 ounce. Watching the Padre-Dodger game. Still 0-0, but we're gonna leave here pretty soon. Let's get back to the D and give you a hotel room review. It's kind of funny, I keep going on these elevators and walking in and looking to press the button. In reality, I already have, and it's an automatic, it's the future. It's the new wave of elevators. Down the end of the hallway, that is Vegas Vic. All right, Jaycationers, now it's time for the room review. It's not too far away from the elevators. You really can't hear any noise from Fremont Street. I'm looking out east towards the mountains and towards Fremont Street East. Yeah, I get the outer banks of Fremont Street. I don't hear much music from Fremont Street, if at all. So that's a really good plus because I know at other hotels you can hear the sound all night long. This room is awesome. You got 2 leather chairs and a table on the corner. You can totally just chill out there, have some lunch or dinner, do your work over there. And the air conditioning unit is pretty big and it kept this room pretty cool. The sun does shine directly into the room. If you close the curtains, it cools it off a little bit during the day, but at night it's nice and cool in here. You have a nice full-length mirror right by the chairs over here, and they also give you a luggage stand. The king bed itself was huge. I actually just slept on the side of it. You can totally get lost in this bed. It's perfect for 2 people. It was nice and comfortable. I actually slept really good last night. Nothing woke me up. I think the reason why I slept really well is because I went on a long live stream walk on my channel and on Norma's channel. So I was pretty tired, but still, this bed was really comfortable. So they give you 5 pillows and then they got 2 bed stands. I've had no luck with lamps not working for some reason here and Main Street Station. This one lamp doesn't work, but that one does. So I don't know if that's a downtown Las Vegas thing. For some reason, that's 2 rooms in a row where one lamp didn't work, but it's all good. There's also an alarm clock on this side and then a telephone on that side. I've requested late checkout in each of the places I've gone to on this trip. I also requested a late checkout because my flight was an hour delayed. So I'm leaving here at 12, which is perfect. Over in this desk area, you have 2 USB charging ports and 2 regular ports, as well as your safe and some drawer space. The only thing that I didn't like is they don't have a refrigerator, but for $66, I mean, what are you gonna get? So yeah, the room total for a Wednesday to Thursday night was $66, everything included, taxes and fees. You also get a magazine here as well. Over in the entryway, you do have your double locks, and I don't usually see the chain bolt anymore, but they have it here because this is an older hotel, so that's cool. Even though they're really technologically advanced with the elevator and you pressing what floor you need to go to and then they assign you, I think that's pretty cool. That actually saves some time, but it also confuses a few people. You also have a double lock here, so that's really good. In the closet area, they give you about 8 or 9 hangers, and you got your ironing board and your iron. No lighting in here, but whatevs. The door by the entryway has a full-length mirror, so you can get ready if your girlfriend needs to put on your makeup, or if you're a girl and putting on your makeup, or if you're a guy putting on your makeup. You got a full-length mirror here. You got a huge mirror with lights behind it. It gives it a nice little effect. And where the camera is standing right now, you have your tissue box. Below it is the blow dryer and some towels and a lot of room to sprawl out your toiletries. They do give you a ton of toiletries as well: shampoo, conditioner, hand and body wash, soap, and lotion. And then you also have your toilet paper, more towels, and a ice bucket with 4 plastic cups. And I don't know what this has to do with anything. There's like a hole here. I don't know why they have that, but they do. Inside the walk-in shower, the shower is actually really nice. You have a little ledge to put your shampoo and soap, and it's got this square shower head that applied the perfect pressure, and it got warm real quick. So nice shower. You have a nice frame and picture of a roulette table here at the D. I also forgot to mention they have a nice little dice photo over here with the D. They do a really good branding with the D. My overall review of the D Hotel is it's quaint, it's small, but they do make up for it when they give you access to Stadium Swim, 2 complimentary admission passes with use of your room key. And I did buy a drink there last night, and guess what? That drink, that Miami Vice, I was able to charge it to my room. Even though I was at Circa, I was able to charge it here to the D. So that also adds up for your points. When you're charging stuff to your room, your points are linked to your card, and that helps you get more free stuff. You know, that's why casinos do these rewards things, because they want to keep having you come back here. I did sign up for their rewards card. I got some free play. I got $30 in free play, which is good. The room here, honestly, gives you all the basic amenities for $66. You get to enjoy a hotel right on Fremont Street. If they give you the correct room, a nice quiet room, you won't hear anything. And it was nice. The bed was comfortable, and I approve. The D ain't bad. I mean, the pool is super small, but like I said, they make up for it for giving you passes to Stadium Swim. Anyways, guys, if you like this video and you want to see more hotel room reviews in Las Vegas, comment down below what hotels you want to see me do next. Check out Las Vegas 777 Let's Go, which is my Facebook group that has 1,000 members already. We talk about news, tips, and recommendations on there, and it's just a fun community to join. Please like this video. It really helps distribute it throughout YouTube. Subscribe. I'm at 74,000 subscribers right now, trying to get to that 100K. Please help me out on that journey. And if you haven't seen this video on Main Street Station Casino yet, please check it out. And we'll see you in the next one. And in the words of Jaycation, stay traveling, Las Vegas. Let's go!